So once you get Visual Studio installed and you open up a Python program or you create a Python program, you're going to get some pop-ups that start coming up. And one of them is going to say, do you want to install the Python extension? And you're going to tell it to install. Once you do that, you'll get a notice here about the linter pylint. You can just go ahead and hit install on it. And if it doesn't have anything, we don't really have to have it, so it's not that big of a deal. If you get an error like this, just close out of it for now. And then here it says that you've selected install. So let me get back over to our program. This is talking about Mac. If you're on Linux, you may not have some of these messages, but you just go through here and select whatever it tells you to select. So we can just tell it to select a Python interpreter, and just pick one. It really doesn't matter. And then this is that pylint thing again, which I don't think it's going to do because it doesn't have. So we're not going to worry about that. And then help improve visual, we'll just close out of that. And so now when we open up our program, so I'm going to go back over here to our Python program that I started writing. We're going to be writing this application in one of the videos. But right now, the main thing I wanted to point out is once you get this open, you can see that when we start getting into Python, how it organizes the code with tabs. But the Visual Studio actually draws you a line all the way down to the next section of code, so you can kind of see how everything is embedded and how it's lined up. You're not going to necessarily understand what I'm talking about right now, but you will when we get into more of the actual programming. But the Visual Studio program is a pretty nice environment to actually sit and write code in. So I just wanted to kind of show real quick what it looks like once you actually get it open.